Most people love tomatoes, which are the essential ingredient in many sauces and dishes. Well, do you know anything about the origin of tomato? The tomato originally comes from South America and has been consumed by people there for thousands of years. Today, tomatoes are popular all over the world. However, when they were first introduced, there was quite a bit of controversy and worry surrounding them. Ancient Aztec writing mentioned recipes for dishes of tomatoes, peppers, and salt. Spanish soldiers conquered the Aztec and brought tomato seeds back with them to Europe. In Europe, these yellowish tomatoes were first called apples of gold. For a long time, people in Northern Europe and North America didn't eat these apples of gold. People were afraid to eat tomatoes because the plant looks similar to nightshade plant, a deadly poison. German people even thought that if someone ate tomatoes, he or she would change into werewolf. However, by the mid-80s, people all over the world had accepted the tomato as a good food to eat. However, there was still controversy regarding the tomato. One of them was whether a tomato was a fruit or vegetable. Tomato is actually a fruit. In America, tomatoes are a vegetable by law. Why are tomatoes legally a vegetable in America? In the 80s, there was no import tax on fruit from other countries, but there was an import tax on vegetables. At the time, many tomatoes were coming from the other countries into America, and American tomato farmers became worried about making a living. The government declared tomatoes a vegetable by law so that non-American tomatoes would be taxed. It is easy to tell that tomatoes is really a fruit. In fact, tomatoes are similar to berries. Both have seed inside and both grow from the flowers of a plant. Both also have delicious flesh surrounding the seeds. Tomatoes and strawberry are actually in the same family. Tomato ice cream? Anyone?